Garifuna people have been displaced and living in exile come this April 12th, 2026 for 229 years. We have been living in exile 229 years. And only now we can go back to St. Vincent, but only as tourists. After being exiled by the British from their ancestral homeland, Yurumein, after their arrival in Roatan, the Garifuna people requested permission from the temporary Spanish authorities to enter the mainland of Spanish Honduras so we could get food. Because again, that particular area also was semi-barren. We didn't have access to a lot of the plants and a lot of the things that we were accustomed to in our ancestral homeland.